In my family, dumpling means love, but they also mean hours of work. So when I saw this smash taco trend, I had a light bulb movement. What if we keep all the flavors but lose all the fuss? This is the 15 minutes taco dumpling. Let me show you. We'll start with the flavor bomb chili oil, which is a versatile and can be used in variety of dishes. For that we need 1 clove of garlic, mince or chopped chili flakes, chili powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, sesame seed, 1 star anise and some peppercorns and bay leaves. In a pan in low heat, add 1 cup of olive oil and add all the spices that are shown here. Simmer this for around 20 minutes till all the spices get infused well in oil and the onions will become brown in color. Now in a heat proof bowl, add chili flakes, chili powder and roasted sesame seeds. Add hot sizzling oil into this and mix it very well. Now keep it in a glass container and you can store it for 1 month on countertop, or if you wish to use it more, put it away in the refrigerator. Now let's prep for our dumpling mixture. Take half of the cabbage, chopped it nicely, put it in the bowl, pour salt on it, mix it well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now we will be chopping our spring onion whites and green. Now for the more juicy and flavorful dumplings, we will be using chicken thigh mincemeat. Now let's add all the vegetables and spices in the mixture. First we will be adding spring onion, then before adding the cabbage we will be squeezing the water. This way the dumpling mixture will not be soggy and it will be perfect. Now let's add our spices. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 whole egg, half cup of vegetable oil and 2 teaspoon of soya sauce and some roasted sesame seeds. Add salt according to taste and mix it very well till all the spices and vegetables get well combined. Now it's time to build our tacos. Take spoonful of mixture and spread it evenly on tortilla covering all the parts. Take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, place our tortilla facing the mixture downwards. Toast it while pressing it for 10 minutes till the meat will become tender and brown. Now flip it and toast it from the other side as well. Now once it's ready, let's add our elements like sliced carrots, some spring onion and a generous amount of chili oil that we have prepped earlier. It's easy to make, very satisfying and crunchy, and will give you the taste of tacos and dumpling in a single recipe. Do try this and tell me in the comments how it turns out. Follow for more easy and simple recipes. Thanks for watching.